my God. Were you there the whole time? Oh my God. Come here. Did I hurt you? Let's do a greenhouse check-in. Oh my God. Were you there the whole time? Oh my God. Come here. Did I hurt you? Oh my God. Look at that tact. Holy cow. Come here. Did you just pee on me? You totally just pissed on me. Come here. Oh my gosh. A frog just peed on me. Look at that. That's disgusting. I really wanted to wear this shirt today. I gotta get myself together. Hold on. I just got attacked by a frog. It jumped on me and it peed on me. Now I feel really gross. And I wanted to wear this shirt today. Anyways, I was just working on some seedlings outside because mine are not growing for some reason. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm acting like this is my first round. This is my fourth round and it's just not working for me. And at this point, I'm thinking it's the light. It needs more sun. It's a mess in the greenhouse. So I really want to try and organize what's going on in here. Very sad about this guy. This was a king of spades times an ace of spades. And I think is dead. But then I'm like, are you? I think there's still some hope. We're just going to leave him. Sorry, I just got distracted. My point was that the seedlings are not working out for me. And so we're going to fix that. I did an experiment. We're going to check in a couple of weeks. So my goal in here is to clean up because everything looks crazy and messy. And I just want to put things back in their place. Like the seedling mix here. I'm going to put my little planter there. Name tags down here. I cannot believe that frog just peed on me. Where'd he even go? He looked like Theodore. I hadn't seen Theodore in a very long time, and I figured he'd disappeared. Now his cousin is here. What was that noise? All right, let's just put these guys away. We're about a month in winter now, and the ice in the greenhouse is still at 106. It is currently 80 degrees in here, which is nice. Everybody seems to be doing well. There are some leaf casualties. This one, however, this guy, a beauty. We're going to chop this guy because what are you? Don't know, don't care. This one as well, my philodendron McZowell. Why? If you don't want to be here, see your way out. That's all I could say. I think the issue is that it's getting too much light in this area and it's also drying out a little fast and I don't think it's liking that. Got to help it with some water. I still have to put up the second irrigation system in here. I just haven't really been in the mood to. All right, what else? Is my irrigation system working? Bro, look at how massive this leaf is. I thought the previous leaf was big and then it threw out a new leaf. But look at this guy. Holy cow, it is humongous. What are you eating? I don't even feed this guy. I should. Wow. How big are you? You're big. You are very big. Look at him. This is the Magnificum and he's huge. Wow is all that I could say right now. We're getting nice and moist. Why are you losing? Who's losing their leaves? Somebody lost their leaf. I think it's a mellow. Why? You got enough water. Probably too much water. That is, I'm still in shock. These guys that I have hung up are not doing well. I think they're drying out also a little bit too fast. Too much light maybe. I will be adding the shade cloth very soon. Great. This guy's happy. I think I gotta let it soak in water. I think that's the problem. Who else am I super? Look, you see, it's burning. It's too much light, I think. Look, scorching my leaves. Not good. Looks like the shade cloth is going to have to go on a lot sooner than I'd like. This Princess Tricolor is finally throwing out a nice leaf, which I'm excited for. Can't wait to do a check-in on that. My Monstera Albo, my Florida Beauty. Are you drying out? What's happening with you? At this point, I'm just really impressed by my anthuriums in here and a couple of my other philodendrons. A lot of these plants in here, I've been giving them time to adjust, to figure it out, and some of them are just not happy, and I really don't have the time for this. And what I would really like to do is just rid them. If they're not happy, go. The door is wide open. Go. Be free. Walk on out of here. I don't want to see you again. My problem is actually getting rid of them. I have a big issue with ridding plants. It actually hurts my heart. So I bring them to the plant swaps. Who needs water? I think for the most part, everybody's getting good water. That guy wants to do good and then does bad. What do you want? What's happening with you? Too much water. Oh, too much water? Did you lose your leaf? No. So too much water now. Got it. I'm going to remove the tray off of her. What the heck? You were doing so good. Make it make sense. I don't get it. My anthuriums down here also need a home. That's why I'm saying 2026, we're going to clear out what no longer serves us. And there's too much of this. I can't have this nonsense. Too much of, oh, I got it. Too much of this. Too much dormancy for me. I guess it's normal for winter, but if these guys don't get it together, they're out. They're out. What's happening here? Oh my gosh, you're drier than a Sahara desert. You're not getting water. You're dry. You're going. Shit. Let me just cut back. Are these spider mite damage? No, it's just no water damage. Done. Gotta give it some water. These guys are getting good water. This leaf is really big too. Do you need water? No, you need water. I'm tired of having so many different plants and they're not thriving. And I don't want to continue having them in my collection. I want to keep my plants that are already thriving and maximize them to their fullest potential. I cannot continue doing this to myself because when I see plants declining, it literally makes me feel like absolute shit. It makes me feel like a failure, like I'm doing something wrong when they are the ones that just cannot figure it out. And I've given them time. I've given them time. I've been patient. I've been just giving them the space that they need to figure it out. And I don't have the time for that anymore because I have plants in here that want to be great and I don't have the space for them properly. What is this? This shouldn't be a thing. And even the plants in my space in my room, they're not happy there. I feel like crying. Is it okay if I cry? Because I feel like crying for real. So the shade cloth needs to go back up because I don't want to see that. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see any of this. I don't want to see this situation either. You're happy. I put this one sitting in water for a couple of hours and then it's still really moist. It got a third. My spring fling caladium is coming back. See, this one, I will give it space for to do so because I pulled the entire thing out and then all of a sudden, boom, happy as can be. Probably not the strongest roots, but it's trying. Look at this leaf. You look awesome. Proud moment. You guys need water. They just dry out a little bit too fast because of that fan, but they're still willing. So I appreciate them. It's just also the moss balls, they dry out. That's that. Anyways, there's a lot of work that needs to be done in this greenhouse. I just don't have the mental capacity right now to do it because there's a lot that I need to just get rid of. Anyways, thank you for watching and thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next one.